How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we'll be taking a look at relatively safe electric vehicle plays. Now, before we get into it, no stocks are safe. They always come with the risk of investing, so do your own plan and plan your own trade. Click the link in the description. Join our Patreon. We offer alerts all day, every day, and watch lists. And now let's go ahead and get into it. So we're taking a look at NIO, NIO, BLNK, Blink Charging, and CHPT Chargepoint. These, like I said, these are relatively safe EV plays, but always a downfall with a risk. So let's go ahead and take a look at NIO first here. Down today, right now, currently down a buck 50, just shy of 4%. It pulled back a bit. It broke our support at 37.41. But you guys are, if you watch this video, you're most likely interested in a long-term position anyway to grow your account. So let's take a look at the 20-day. The 20-day has a low of $34, high of 46. If you know anything about Econ 101, you like to buy in the mid-range, and stocks like to buy off support. Now, me personally, I wouldn't buy into it right now. I do own a couple shares of NIO, nothing big, just my micro position. We do have some good support at 36.95. Now, if the price were to come down to there, and bounce up, I would definitely look in for a position to get a nice bounce play. And again, guys, go ahead and sell this stock whenever you want. Don't sell it at the high of 46. You buy in at 37, sell at 40, get back in at 39. You don't let anybody tell you that you shouldn't sell a stock, because that is just not the way to go. You buy and sell when you want. Don't let anybody tell you what to do. There's so much potential NIO here. If you guys don't know, obviously it's a electric vehicle car company based in China. And you heard many people talking about the Tesla of China, but me personally, I don't think could be that, but it definitely has the potential, I guess I would say. But I wouldn't expect Tesla price movement anytime soon. Just maybe $100 by the end of the year, or maybe this time next year as well. But I will let you know what investors are looking for. Just me as an investor, and what we talked about in the Discord. Earnings: negative 23 cents, positive 15, negative 12, and then negative 14. Next quarter earnings, they need to be in the right direction. If that's back at negative 12, negative 10, or anywhere in the green, obviously that would be the most important thing. But this has a good potential to run up past that 66.99 level. We just need to get a good bounce off of the 36.85 here and get a nice stair step pattern up. Just rinse and repeat what we did here, and a nice pullback, and it's what we need here. It went up too quickly, obviously, for what the price action was going on. It wasn't worth 66 bucks at the time, but right now maybe it is if we get a good earning report. Taking a look at the news, we're here at a second electric vehicle sedan model rivaling Tesla's Model 3. Now, the Tesla of China, possibility. But I don't think this stock can go to $600 anytime soon. But you never know with stocks, so just keep that in mind, guys. They're having constantly good news. It's about almost every day, if not every other day, they have news, which is always good for a growing company. It's also featured on CNBC and Fox Business almost weekly. I think not if weekly, ever since right here back in October it's been featured. But that was NIO. Moving on to our second top pick, just for the safe, again, relatively safe electric vehicles. We're taking a look at BLNK, Blink Charging Company. Now, this is very good, because how are you going to charge your electric vehicle charging? Like, you can't go to home every time. You're just going to go to a charging station, and that's obviously what this company is trying to do. Tesla is trying to put in their largest electric vehicle station here in the United States, and if BLNK can get any type of part of that, or maybe they'll do charging stations for NIO and XBEV and Solo Electromechanica. It's very well possible. Again, taking a look at the earnings on this one as well. What is this? It was at negative negative 11 cents, negative 11. So the company's steadily negative 12, steadily again, but the negative 24, you don't want to see almost double in, you know, cents wise right here. You don't want to see that. Next quarter again needs to be better than negative 24 at most. I would like to see it in the green just as well, but technical analysis standpoint, we do have some good support at the 25 level and also good support at the 39 level. Resistance is going to be at the 46, 50, 55, 58, and then the 60, and obviously the high up there at 64. Again, almost a, no, that is it. That is a $20 per share a high that we can potentially get. And I think we will again by the end of the year. And guys, these aren't quick flip companies. If you want that, go day trade some other company. This is a long-term hold and definitely one you want to check out learning. Just check it out. Uh, Good earnings on this one today. Oh, excuse me. Good news on it today. No earnings quite yet. Good news every 5 days per so. So very good. And now, you guys know if you watched any of my OZSC videos in the past, you know I've been ripping on the company. It needs to have catalysts, and BLNK is very good at releasing them. You guys know the president's whole $2.3 trillion infrastructure plan, and that's giving, I believe, 76 million. I heard to the electric vehicle, and right here, Biden's plan for 500,000 EV charging stations. It faces tough road ahead, but guys, come on. I mean, that's just quick. That's just a short term, you know. Oh, it faces turmoil, but long term, you're still going to need them. So one company's going to have to put them in. Hopefully, they can BLNK blink charging, but it may be another company. And if another company gets the government contract, I will be sure to post a video on it, and I will put it in the top comment here. But you never know; it could be BLNK winning that. The next stock here is CHPT Chargepoint Holdings, another electric vehicle charging company that works pretty well with um, BLNK. Pull up the chart again. It has a very similar chart with a run up, high, and a dip. It dipped harder though. This one has support at 20, currently sitting at 28, but that's still a $20 price movement that you could potentially gain. It's up to you guys and what you can afford, because obviously this is for beginners, small account, maybe under $500 small account. I would, it's up to you guys, because obviously ChargePoint right here is just a more risky play, just on factor of the chart and the heart of the dip. BLNK is more safer play than ChargePoint, but will it be the more potential? It's up to you guys again, but I personally think ChargePoint is more risky but has more potential, and I think BLNK has a better long-term play up to that as well. But ChargePoint has resistance on the 32 level, 39 level, 42 level, and 46. Supports at the, like I said, the 20 and then the 25. Really, no earnings on this one as TD is not showing it. That is very weird. Sometimes TD gets a little bit buggy. So taking a look at the news now of CHPT, you can see that it was featured in the couple same articles as BLNK here about the 500,000 EV charging stations. Also featured on CNBC. It looks like it had some wild, well, you know, they said unusual option activity. ChargePoint April $30 call, so that is not bad. That's a nice $2 per share. Can you, with your small account, you know, really get a good percentage wise off $2 a share? No, but you always should take a look at percentage wise, not price action wise, if that makes any sense. Just to grow your small account and lock in them gains, as we discuss always in the Discord down below. So let me know what you guys think of your top, or my top three: CHPT, BLNK, and NIO. Again, these are my top three safest plays for electric vehicles. Remember, none of them are truly safe. Trade your own plan your own trade. I said, leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any time's video. YouTube has been a little bad. If I mean a little, I mean has been sharing my videos to any of my subscribers at all. So I would appreciate if you guys check in on the daily of uploads that we are doing here on the channel. Click the link in the description to join the Discord as well, and hope to see you there, guys. All right, see you next one. Thanks for watching.